Hey guys, I'm Dr. V, and you are watching a live day trade of the Micro E-mini futures using my momentum trade technique. Make sure to watch the end of this video so you can find out how to learn this technique. Alrighty guys, I'm going to be trading 4 contracts of the Micro E-mini futures today. I am going to go ahead and short today, so I'm basing this on a reversal here. I'm going to try to get filled up around the EMA. 3120. $19.50. Okay. All right. Just got filled. And I'm going to keep my stop at about 31.22. And it is, let's see, 11:54 in the morning here. So, again, I'm trading a 3-minute time frame Micro E-mini futures, symbol MES. And we've been in kind of a slow moving downtrend now for basically since open. So it's almost like a real slow sell-off that's happening. And so my signals aren't perfect. If you guys have taken my course, the signals aren't perfect right now, but I'm kind of banking off the overall pattern to short this. The MACD is kind of tight on itself right now, but it's sitting below 2. It's about 2.5 negative. And the stochastic oscillator is not in the optimal position that I would look for. The yellow K, I prefer angling down under the purple line. But because I'm looking at the overall pattern of the day, I'm taking a bit of a gamble here, looking for a move downward. So we're going to hang out and watch this for a little bit. We are under VWAP, and I'm looking at the green SMA on the chart up top, getting close to crossing VWAP, which would fit the pattern that I usually trade for my trades. And in my course, you'll get all this information, but keep in mind you're watching a video of a live trade, and these trade videos are kind of a continuation of my course. So when you've taken the course, you can use these videos as kind of a tutorial on how to execute the trades. In the course, I give you all the information on how I set things up. And then later on, when you're actually doing your own trading, you can utilize these videos as tutorials to help you to understand how to execute the trades a little more efficiently. All right, so we're going to just kind of watch this for a little bit. I'm kind of keeping an eye on the stochastic on the bottom right now. What I want to see is the K line breaking under 20, and it's kind of getting there right now. So it's in good shape right now. All right, guys, so we are now in this trade. Probably, we've been hanging in this trade now for about 20 minutes, and it is, I cut that part of the video out just because it's just kind of been steadily dropping like this, but this is a pretty strong move down right now. And I don't know what's going on. As you can see, the pattern broke to the downside pretty strong, so there must be some bad news report or something going on right now. It's kind of odd that this is even to see this kind of movement during the lunch hour is a little weird. It happens once in a while, but I looked at the economic report. I didn't see anything on the calendar. I haven't scanned the news yet, though, but there must have been some kind of news out for this to be dropping like this. It could be a whole bunch of things. If you look at the bottom on the stochastic, the lines have tightened up quite a bit. We've been riding under that 20 marker for a while now, which is where you like to hang when you're selling with the type of trade setup that I use. The MACD is heading for 7 right now, so great momentum to the downside. But these are huge bars, so yeah, we're making new lows now too. You can see it popping down at 30.85. So I'm going to look to get out of this trade pretty soon here. I've made quite a profit on it. I'm going to bring my stop down, that green line you see traveling south. And we're going to go ahead and get out of this pretty soon here. All good things must come to an end. And this could continue downward, but I'm going to start chasing with my stop here pretty shortly. What I'm looking at is that yellow K line on the stochastic. It's still pointing down, so I'm still going to hang with it. I'm going to bring my stop down about halfway on this bar that we're in right now. Got about another minute on this bar. Yeah, it's pushing down again. Wow. This is quite a move down. Wow. This is a massive move. 30.82 now. Still pushing down. I'm going to keep coming halfway down my bar here with my stop. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Usually when I get close to getting out of my trade, I'll bump in about $2 behind the move, the trading price. It's trading at 30.81 right now. Yeah, 30.81. I'm at 85 with my stop. Yeah, I might get stopped out here. There we go. Okay. So I just got stopped out. That was a really nice trade, though. So that's $680 on that trade, $680, and that took probably, let's see what time is it, 20? I was in for about 25 minutes. So 25 minutes, $685. That's a lot. I mean, that doesn't happen very often to make that kind of a profit. So something major happened. And again, I don't typically hang in a trade that long, but I'm rarely probably hanging in a trade for more than 20 minutes. But on a day like today where it's been trending down, I hang a little longer and see what happens with it. And as you can see, now we're getting the pullback. So that was an awesome trade, though. Alrighty, guys, on to the next. If you would like to learn this safe and effective way to trade, click the on-screen link, Learn to Day Trade on a Budget. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel for quick access to more live trade videos. Good luck with your trades, guys.